Are you setting your kids up for success or a life of failure? Teaching kids about money isn't just important, it's essential for their future financial success. Schools don't teach about money as part of their lessons, even though many people agree they should. Instead, most individuals acquire knowledge about money from their parents at home. So, it's important to look into what rich parents are teaching their kids about money. In today's video, you will learn 7 key principles that affluent individuals teach their children about money, which are often overlooked by those from less fluent backgrounds. Did you know that 88% of wealthy parents actively teach their kids about money management? Pay attention to this important information because it will definitely help with your personal finances, and thank you for all your comments on previous videos. I absolutely notice the people that return to watch, and I sincerely appreciate you all. Now listen closely, here we go. It all starts with this first lesson, the importance of money. Picture this, you're a self-made millionaire. You've climbed your way up the financial ladder, and now you're at the top. What's the one thing you want to pass down to your kids? Yes, you guessed it, how important money is to live a good life. Rich parents get this. They don't just talk the talk, they walk the walk. They're like money maestros, conducting symphonies of financial wisdom for their offspring. And it's not just about swimming in pools of cash, although that's a perk. It's about freedom. Money equals options. It's the passport to a stress-free life where you get to call the shots on everything from where you vacation to how you help others. Rich parents emphasize the significance of money, making it a priority in their teachings to their children. But here's the kicker, not everyone sees it this way. Some folks, especially those who haven't tasted the sweetness of financial success, shy away from the money talk. They think it's taboo or that money can't buy happiness. But guess what? They could be setting their kids up for a rough ride in the real world. Number 2, the difference between assets and liabilities. Rich parents have a knack for teaching their kids the ABCs of money. Imagine if you could decode this financial alphabet early on, paving your way to financial freedom. So, what exactly are assets and liabilities, and why do they matter? Well, think of assets as your personal money-making machines, constantly churning out cash, while liabilities are like those sneaky expenses that drain your wallet faster than you can say budget. Consider this, buying a rental property versus buying a swanky house to live in. One fills your pockets with rental income every month, while the other just keeps asking for more cash, from utility bills to maintenance costs. Rich parents get this, and they make sure their kids get it too. They teach them to chase after assets that bring in money while avoiding liabilities that eat away at their bank accounts. But here's the best part about assets. Assets don't care about your 9-to-5 grind. They work for you whether you're clocking in or not. That's the beauty of it. And with a bit of smart investing, those assets can multiply faster than rabbits in springtime. Let's put it into perspective. Picture 2 folks with identical fat paychecks. One splurges on every fancy toy in sight, drowning in debt as they go. The other, they play it cool, stashing away cash for a rainy day and making savvy investments. Guess who's laughing all the way to the bank? Remember Robert Kiyosaki's famous line, "Looking good but going nowhere"? It's like he's talking straight to those folks who value appearances over financial stability. Sure, rich people enjoy the finer things too, but they've got a secret sauce, assets. While others max out credit cards, the wealthy use their assets to foot the bill, keeping their financial fortress intact. And here's the golden rule rich parents swear by. If you want something fancy, make sure your assets foot the bill, not your credit card. It's all about living the good life without risking your financial future. So what's your money-making machine going to be? Number 3, how to manage money. Ever wonder how some kids grow up to be really good with money, while others struggle to balance a budget? It's all about the lessons learned early on. Wealthy parents often play the financial education game differently. Instead of keeping their kids in the dark, they shine a spotlight on household expenses. Picture this: kids poring over financial statements, crafting budgets like little financial wizards. It's hands-on, practical, and sets them up for a lifetime of financial success. But here's the twist. Many parents from less affluent backgrounds avoid the money talk altogether. They keep their earnings under wraps and budget solo, if at all. The result? Negative vibes around money management that can trickle down to the next generation. Ever noticed how family money discussions can impact your own financial mindset? It's a cycle worth breaking. Number 4, the different ways of earning money. Ever wonder how people like Barack Obama's daughter once had a regular customer service job? It's not just about the paycheck. It's a lesson in the diverse ways money flows. Wealthy families get it. They want their kids to see the full spectrum of earning potential. It's like opening a treasure chest of possibilities. There's the classic route, trading time for money through jobs or freelancing. But wait, there's more. Picture this: creating systems that churn out cash or letting money do the heavy lifting for you. It's the secret sauce of businesses, online ventures, and smart investing, as revealed in Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant. These savvy parents know the power of teaching their kids these tricks, giving them the keys to unlock multiple paths to wealth. But here's the twist. What about those who only know the grind? The ones who learn just to get a regular 9 to 5 and pay taxes the rest of their lives. Imagine growing up with just one piece of the puzzle. Sadly, that's the reality for many, and it's a recipe for missed opportunities. Number 5, no one owes you anything. Ever wonder how the rich got rich? It wasn't by waiting for handouts. They understand the hustle it takes to make it big. They'll tell you, success doesn't come gift-wrapped. This lesson is gold for kids swimming in luxury, where the temptation to coast is strong. But savvy parents know better. Take Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, for example. They're not leaving their kids a fortune on a silver platter. Why? Because they know true success is earned, not inherited. Gates put it bluntly, they have to find their own way. It's a mindset that says, you want it, work for it. Wealthy people know that thinking that someone owes you something creates a victim mindset. A victim mindset is the opposite of an abundance mindset. You cannot think you are a victim and create wealth at the same time. Number 6, there is always more money. Some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth, while others struggle to make ends meet. It's not just luck or inheritance, it's a mindset. Picture this. While many are stuck in the rut of thinking money is scarce, the affluent see endless possibilities. Think about it. How often have you felt constrained by your paycheck, believing there's a ceiling to what you can achieve financially? But what if I told you that ceiling doesn't exist? Rich parents teach their kids a powerful lesson. There's always more money out there waiting to be made. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's a game changer. It shapes how the wealthy make decisions about their finances. Sure, saving and budgeting are important, but what sets them apart is their drive to expand their income. They don't settle for what they have. They actively seek ways to increase their cash flow. Now here's the best thing. This mindset isn't just for the rich and famous. It's for anyone ready to break free from financial limitations. Imagine what you could achieve if you believed there was no cap on your earning potential. What businesses would you start? What dreams would you pursue? The truth is, believing in abundance opens doors you never knew existed. So ask yourself, do you see money as finite or infinite? Your answer could change everything. Number 7, teaching by example. Imagine a mansion nestled in the hills, its grandeur casting a shadow over the surrounding landscape. The owners of this lush estate are not just rich, they are financially savvy, and their children are learning by example. In this household, money isn't a taboo topic or a source of stress. Instead, it's a tool, a means to an end. From a young age, the children observe their parents making wise investments, diversifying their portfolios, and giving back to their community. They see that wealth isn't just about accumulating assets. It's about using those assets to create a better future for themselves and others. But it's not just the big decisions that leave an impression. It's the everyday habits, the small choices that add up over time. The children watch as their parents comparison shop, clip coupons, and negotiate deals. They learn that being wealthy doesn't mean being wasteful, that every dollar saved is a dollar earned. And perhaps most importantly, they see the value of hard work. They witness their parents putting in long hours, pursuing their passions, and never settling for mediocrity. They understand that wealth isn't handed to you on a silver platter. It's something you have to earn through dedication and perseverance. In this household, the lessons about money are lived and breathed every day, woven into the fabric of family life. And as the children grow older, they'll carry these lessons with them, building their own fortunes and shaping the world in their image. Whether you have children or not, the 7 lessons in the video will help you to become wealthy. And since you are watching this, it's safe to say you need to acquire more money. But how do you go about doing that? For that, I will direct you to click on this video right here, and you will learn how to build wealth from nothing. Go to this video now, and let's build big money.